How to repost TikTok videos. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can repost a TikTok video. If you like a TikTok and you want to repost it, then it's very simple now. So what I want you guys to do is simply open up your TikTok, right? And when you're scrolling through TikTok, and let's say that you really like any of the TikTok, so you can repost it. What happens is, let's say I want to repost this TikTok right here. You will find the option of share. We have a like, comment, and the third option is share. When I click on share, you will be able to see the option of repost. Send to, the first option is repost and it's very visible. Simply click on repost and it will be reposted. Now, if I go back to my profile, so that TikTok has been reposted by me, and that's how simply we repost any of the TikTok. It's very simple. Simply select the video, go to share, click on repost, and it will be reposted. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.